always be together, from the end to the start. That's what we do it for, to reserve our place. It's just another part of the human race. That's what we do it for, to reserve our space in history's space. Part of the human race. I'm forever chasing after thought, but everybody dies. But if I could live forever at a price, I would die it twice. But if the earth ends in fire and the seas are frozen in time, there'll be just one survivor, the memory that I was yours and you were mine. Everybody dies, chasing after thought. When you love somebody, they'll always leave too soon. But a memory could make a flower bloom. We wanna be remembered.